Today I am going to show how to create solidworks file to step file and how to edit a step file. Okay, let's start. This is our solidworks file. Just go to this save as and choose this file. Save as types. Just choose this step ap203 step. Okay, just click it and choose your file and choose your any file. Just I will save in this .step file. Okay, and just click save. Okay, our file is created as a step file. Okay, I will check it is created as step file or not. Just cancel it. Now go to this our file location and go to this solidworks and choose this step file. Just our file name is fresh machine table. Okay, just click and open. Just open it. And do you wish to run info design? Just click no. Now see, this is our step file. Okay, now I will convert how to edit this step file. Okay, our file is already converted as a step file. If you want to send to another person or another CAD file, you can send it. It will show to any kinds of CAD software. Okay, now I will show how to edit this file. If I want to edit it this, but you cannot edit, just right click and go to this feature, edit feature. Just click edit feature. Now see, it is not showing. Okay, because this is a step file. If you want to edit this file, you have to do something. Just cancel it. Right click on this file and go to this break link and just click yes, break the link. Okay, now again right click and go to this feature works. Just click recognize feature. Yes, now recognize mode automatic interactive. Just choose automatic and choose this standard features. Okay, just click OK. Now this is recognizing. Now see, this converted. Okay, now see our file is editable. If you want to edit any file, you can edit. Just go to this boss extrude 1, just click sketch and go to this edit sketch. Now see, it is editing. If you want to edit, just I'll go to this smart dimension. Just I will show it smart dimension. This just you can edit it. I can change it 1 4 00. Just click OK. Yes, just exit it. Now see, it is edited. Okay, or I can again change this. Suppose I'll change again it 1550. Click enter. I edit it, just exit it. Now see, it is edited. Okay, or you can change it extrude boss, just edit feature, just change it. I'll change it 40, just OK. Now see, you can change anything which is required or which you need change. Okay, thank you for watching.